In a significant show of military strength, the Libyan National Army, LNA, commanded by Field Marshal Khalifa Haftar, conducted a grand parade in Benghazi marking the 11th anniversary of Operation Al-Karama. The ceremony was hosted at a newly inaugurated military base and notably featured the debut of sophisticated weaponry never before seen publicly in Libya, including the Russian-built Tor-M2 short-range air defense missile system. This marks the first confirmed deployment of the Tor-M2 within Libya's borders, sparking attention due to its violation of United Nations Security Council Resolution 1970, which bans arms shipments to Libya since 2011. The Tor-M2 system is recognized for its precision in detecting and neutralizing rapid, small-scale aerial threats such as surveillance and attack drones, assets that have become increasingly prevalent in recent Libyan conflicts and global warfare theaters. Beyond the Tor-M2, the LNA displayed an extensive array of military hardware during the parade. This included over 120 Russian VPK Spartak mine-resistant vehicles, alongside fresh Kamaz and Ural trucks tailored for military logistics. Additionally, several Chinese-origin drones like the Al-Karama VT-370, QP-537 VTOL, and Sachuav V-15 made an appearance, complemented by agricultural drones repurposed for reconnaissance. Artillery pieces such as the BM-30 Smerch and Tornado-S rocket launchers were presented, along with legacy ballistic missile platforms like the Scud-B and Luna-M. Equipment dating back to the Gaddafi era was also prominent, with upgraded T-55 and T-72 tanks now fitted with anti-drone cage armor. Infantry fighting vehicles BMP-1 and BMP-2 featured enhanced side armor, and ZSU-23-4 Shilka self-propelled anti-aircraft guns displayed minor protective upgrades. Although the Emirati-supplied variant of the Pantsir S-1 system was present, most Emirati-sourced gear was noticeably absent, indicating possible shifts in military alliances or procurement strategies. The introduction of the Tor-M2 significantly boosts the LNA's capabilities against modern aerial threats, particularly from tactical UAVs and precision-guided munitions. Designed to track and engage targets with low radar visibility amid complex cluttered environments, the system excels at countering swarm attacks and agile aircraft. Its mobility and autonomous operation enable deployment across fixed installations and moving units, offering enhanced protection for critical infrastructure and command centers throughout eastern Libya. This addition may reshape the tactical landscape where air dominance and drone operations have previously influenced conflict outcomes. While the exact means through which the LNA acquired the Tor-M2 remains officially undisclosed, its presence alongside other Russian-origin equipment, such as the Mi-26 heavy-lift helicopter and BTR-82 armored personnel carriers, hints at state-supported transfers, either direct or via intermediaries. The diminished role of Emirati arms compared to earlier years further supports theories of evolving procurement dynamics. Given the Tor-M2's limited availability and high cost, its deployment in Benghazi suggests Moscow's strategic interest in extending influence in the Mediterranean region, particularly following a reduced footprint in Syria. The Tor system traces its origins to the Soviet era, initially developed in the 1980s to safeguard frontline troops from aircraft, helicopters, cruise missiles, and drones. Since then, the system has evolved into multiple variants, including the advanced Tor-M2 family with wheeled, export, modular, and Arctic-specific versions. Developed by Russia's Izhevsk electromechanical plant Kupol with contributions from leading defense firms like Almazanty and missile specialists MKB Fakel and Vimpel, the Tor-M2 entered Russian service in 2016 and achieved serial production by 2020. Characterized by its autonomous, all-weather operational capability, the Tor-M2 features a fully rotating radar capable of tracking up to 48 targets simultaneously, engaging 4 at once. It carries 16 9M338K missiles launched vertically, capable of intercepting targets flying between 10 and 10,000 meters altitude within a 1 to 16 kilometer range. Each missile is equipped with a jam-resistant radio command guidance system, capable of speeds up to 1,000 meters per second. The system's rapid response time, from detection to engagement under 5 seconds, and ability to operate while on the move, combined with its network radar data sharing, enhance its effectiveness in modern combat environments. The LNA's unveiling of the Tor-M2 represents a marked leap in Libya's air defense, potentially altering the balance of power in ongoing regional conflicts and reflecting broader geopolitical maneuvers within the Mediterranean theater.